Uh-oh, busted. Busted. Mr. Damian Malik. Are you allowed in here? Are you allowed in here right now? Don't ignore me. Oh, God. Leave it on. I know you want to fix things. Damian. Uh-oh, found my laundry pile. Your favorite boxers. Yeah? Really? You know what? That's an interesting point. That's an interesting point. I have to agree with this. I fully have to agree with this all 100%. At this given time. This is something I have to agree upon. I know, it's not the place for my laundry. No, don't put those on your head. Those stink. Stinky. Alright, come on, Damian. Let's get out of here. Come on. Come on. Alright.